Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and let's talk about some equations that are important in the circle of life. Notice that sunlight is required for photosynthesis, but then in cell respiration, we get the energy back in the form of ATP. So it's almost like this ATP energy ultimately is derived from the sun, if you really think about it. And also notice that our waste products, CO2 and water, are the inputs for plants that they need to make oxygen for us to breathe and glucose and the like for us to consume. By the way, all this is going to be important for a successful Martian or lunar colony. We are thinking about those things these days. How many molecules of water are required to produce one molecule of glucose? Well, there's the glucose. It doesn't have a coefficient in front, so it's understood to be 1. So how many molecules of water are required to make one molecule of that? Well, what if you wanted 2 of those? Then what number would you have to have, by the way? That's not part of this question. But it's something to think about. Glucose, with the help of oxygen, is broken down to form CO2 and water and energy. Here's the question. How many molecules of oxygen are required to break down one molecule of glucose? Well, there's the glucose and there's the oxygen, and you can look at the number in front and see how many molecules are required. Oxygen just happens to be the final electron acceptor in cellular respiration. Aerobic cellular respiration.